Hi, my name is Erin Jensen. I use she, her pronouns, and I'm the Campus Director of Admissions at Washington State University, Vancouver. I'm pleased to share some of the highlights and updates from our campus for this coming academic year. WSU Vancouver is one of 6 WSU campuses statewide and the only 4-year research university in Southwest Washington. With about 3,500 students, WSU Vancouver is a great fit for those who want a small school feel with the resources of a Tier 1 research university. We offer 24 different majors, and the top 3 are business, psychology, and biology. This fall, the majority of our classes are offered in person, with some offered hybrid and virtual. Still, it's been great to see students walking across campus again. You'll see here that over half of our incoming freshmen are the first in their family to attend college. A particular strength of WSU Vancouver is providing these first-generation students with the academic and social resources they need to succeed. Speaking of resources, at WSU Vancouver, we strive to serve students holistically through academic, wellness, and social support from the very beginning of their Vancouver journey. One way we do this is by infusing academic advising into the first-year curriculum. Freshmen are enrolled in a 2-credit introductory course their entire first year, which is taught by their academic advisor. Students are not only introduced to the wide array of resources you see here, but they also learn goal setting, time management, self-advocacy, and how to use a growth mindset. This course also teaches students cultural wealth literacy, which guides students through the discussions about identity, race, and culture. These conversations have led to continued campus-wide actions to increase student equity and voice. Students are considered freshmen if they are applying while still in high school, even if they plan to transfer college credit or an entire associate's degree. Typically, students with a 3.0 high school GPA or higher and on track to complete all Washington Caters will be admitted. WSU no longer uses standardized tests for admission or scholarship awarding. We understand that COVID-19 has made learning a challenge for many students, so we always encourage you to reach out to us directly if you or they have concerns about their admissibility. The application fee is $70 and fee waivers are available to those who meet the qualifying criteria. And the admissions application allows students to upload an unofficial transcript, which we recommend doing for a faster decision. The WSU General Scholarship application is accessible from the same portal as the admissions application. It includes more than 100 scholarships for WSU Vancouver students in particular. And you'll see here that January 31st is the priority application deadline, as well as the deadline for the WSU General Scholarship application. Earlier is always better. Speaking of scholarships and financial aid, WSU Vancouver is still an incredible value. Our students can save around $10,000 a year by living at home or finding housing nearby. Those who apply on time and have a 3.8 high school GPA or higher will receive the Vancouver Academic Achievement Award worth $3,000 a year for 4 years. We also walk students through the nuts and bolts of financial aid at our monthly A to Z of Paying for College workshops. These are free to anyone in the community, so check out the dates on our website. And of course, the best way to decide if WSU Vancouver is the right fit is to visit campus. Taking a tour or attending an event in person is ideal, but we now offer live and recorded versions of our weekly events. Students can also schedule a one-on-one appointment with their admissions counselor too. That can be in person, over Zoom, or by phone. And then 3 times throughout the year, we offer an open house called Preview Day. This year, these are held in November, January, and May. Check out more details online. And of course, the best way to stay connected with us is to reach out to the admissions counselor who works directly with your school. You can find our contact information here, and we look forward to staying in touch with you. Stay safe and healthy this school year. Thank you.